Hey, what's going on? It's Brian. I'm gonna do that video for you. This is my wife, Vicky.
Hi, I'm Vicky.
I was telling her you were a truck driver, and she said she had a.
It was cool. He said that you're a truck driver and you have a handle. And I remember in our Pontiac, I don't know if it was a Grand something. It was from like the 70s. And then we had a CB radio. And we used to talk to the truck drivers when we'd go on vacation. And my handle was Sunshine. And we would go up to Tennessee and eat at the truck stops. My dad and we used to have a great time. So that was cool. When brought back memories when he told me I had a handle.
So yeah, I wanted to share that. So I'm just gonna go out here for a second. And the first thing is I want you to write a check. So what I'm gonna do is I'll send you like a screenshot or a picture or something. You don't have to print it if you don't have a printer, because I know you're a truck driver. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pretend we're written a check for $10 million. So how that works is like, just picture I had won the lotto and I gave you a check for $10 million and just mailed it to you, and you open it up in an envelope and you're like, oh my God, I got a check for $10 million. Now, the caveat is you can't spend it on you. You have to spend it on everybody else, whether it's a cause, a charity, a church, the homeless, whatever you want. Your family members, anybody you want. You just can't spend it on you. So you have to spend $10 million, spend every single cent of it on whatever you want, and spend it on not you. That's the first step. Once you complete that, just take a picture of it with your phone and text it to me or Paul. And then I'll send you the next step, which is the second video, which is called Wouldn't It Be Cool If? And Wouldn't It Be Cool If has actually changed a lot of people's lives. It really has. When you take it and you run with it and you do it, it's kind of melded and molded from Tony Robbins and a lot of my mentors. My mentor is called Joe Schroeder. So I will teach you Would It Be Cool If, and you can run it. But first of all, send us a picture of what you wrote down on a piece of paper on how you spent your $10 million that I wrote you a check for. So I'm Brian. It was really great to talk to you, and I'm pretty sure you're going to become triple diamond this year. We just got to make sure you get there. So it was good talking to you. This is my yard, if you want to see. I live on an acre inside Loxahatchee, out by Lion Country Safari in Palm Beach, Florida. Bye. I'm Brian. It's good talking to you.